Hello everyone, my name is Arfa Fatima.
My name is Shreyas.
We are studying in UKG.
Will you say scientific names of animals?
Yes, ma'am. Scientific names of animal: human, Homo sapiens, lion, panther, horsefly, used domestica, crow, Carva splendens, cat, Felis domestica, dog, Canis seniaris, monkey, Simiform, rabbit, Varictolagus, Cumuculus, buffalo, Bumpalus bubalis.
Scientific names of plants.
Scientific names of plants: Mangifera indica, mango, Solanum melongena, brinjal, Daucus carota, carrot, rose, Cucumis sativus, cucumber, Solanum cubosa, potato, Saphanus sativus, radish, rice, Rhizopsicon, esculentum, tomato, Rosa rose, Cactus nucifera, coconut, Soveta indica, Citrus aurantina, orange, Punica granata, pomegranate, Calica papaya.
Living requirements.
Water, shelter, energy, living space, warm earth, nutrition, oxygen.
Types of taste.
Sweet, sihi, bitter, kahi, salty, uppu, sour, uli, spicy, kara.
Rainbow
color, there are 7 colors: Bibgaya, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Human body system: nervous system, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, reproductive system, vascular system, immunity system, skeletal system.
Kings of Karnataka.
Pulakeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Hamogavarsha, Madakalinaya, Kitturani Chennamma, Akka Bukka, Jaya Chamarajendra Vodaya, Kempe Gowda. Meaning of Google: a number equal to 10 to the 100 power. Types of animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue. Types of plant tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma, spirenchyma, xylem, phloem.
The 5 kingdoms of life.
The 5 kingdoms of life: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Levels of classification: species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujaratlal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratak, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indra Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi. Thank you.